Hi guys, in the next 3 lectures, you are going to create this animation. First, you are going to design it. Okay, you put the graphics and the text and everything. Second, you are going to animate it. And then you are going to sequence the layers, exactly like we have done before. But now we have more layers here. That's one. And we're going to create a more interesting animation. Like you see the Tanzania here, how it's coming up, the rectangle, the background, top news and stories like this. But also it will give you the courage now to start animating more layers. Sometimes here you will have 50, 60 layers, guys. So this is a full project in 3 steps. The design, if you remember, there is no animation here at all. Then there is the animate, where you just animate, it comes in. Look, it looks impressive a bit. Okay, you have all the keyframes. Then you move to sequence, where you sequence your layers, and you have a full project just over here. Now I'm gonna go a bit fast because otherwise the design will take like 20 minutes me talking to you. So please try to follow along or try to listen to the lecture, then apply later on. There are so many ways for you to listen and apply at the same time. In the next lecture, we dive in with the design. See you then.